it's on. Shots, 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 shots.
A standing ovation for Antonia and Jamie Ritchie. Както казват бабите, тази година булка, до година люка. As the grandmothers in Bulgaria say, this year a bride, next year a mommy. Менчето има две цветенца – червено и бяло. Ако изкочи първо червеното, означава, че първото бебе ще бъде момиче, а ако е бяло, че ще бъде момче. There are two flowers in the copper pot, red and white. If the red one pops out first, it means the first baby will be a girl. If it's the white one, it's gonna be a boy.
Come on the way.
Тони, знаеш какво да направиш? Силно го ритни, тъпа вода да ви върви! И нека така, както трапезата не може без сол, така и младоженците да не могат един без друг. Just as bread cannot be kneaded without salt, so they cannot live without each other. You can do the same with Jamie. Please dip. Yes. Exactly.
To see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's made to be broken.
I have the pleasure of inviting the proud father of the bride. Today, true happiness reigns in his soul because he is now calm that his lovely girl made the most correct choice by entrusting her heart and life in the hands of the best man, Jamie. Who said I love you first? Who is always right? Of course. Yes. Always, always, always. She's right. Who buys more clothes? Jamie. With all your love, hand in hand, you will cut the first piece of your wedding cake together. Колкото е голямо парчето, толкова горчиво! Горчиво! 1, 2, 3! Мило семейство, не забравяйте да си казвате всеки ден по едно простичко обичам те, по едно простичко благодаря. Благодаря ти, че те има, благодаря ти, че дойде в живота ми. Dear family, don't forget to say a simple I love you and a simple thank you every day. Thank you for having you, thank you for coming into my life. All of us here, thank you for deciding to share your love with us today. Ето коя ще бъде следващата булка! Woo! Travis! Okay, maybe we can find it for you tonight. Don't you worry. We'll find